Muthenya omwe tu mbere ya riboti ya BBI iruguritio mwena wa Bomas guku Nairobi, woni utiganite wigie mendekithia mayo no urathie na mbere na kuheanwo. Na omwe wa maria makoretwo nderetini ya mendekithia ni woni wati BBI aya kuongerera murigo kuri a Kenya makiria gukiringithanio na ati kuri na iturwa njeru cirendekithio kuongererwo utongoria-ini. No woni uyu ni ureganitwo naguo ni mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga, akiuga ati iturwa iria cirendekithio ni ciaria marithuragwo bunge-ini ya bururi, na uguo mushara wao ulikoragwo uri oro umwe tu.
Wanasema wanataka kusoma, lakini walikuwa wameanza kupinga hata kabla haijatoka. Walikuwa wanapinga kitu ambayo walikuwa hawalewi. Lakini sasa ukweli imetoka, nyoka imetoka pangoni. So Wakenya wanaweza kuona.
Raila agitetera ngwataniro yake na President Uhuru Kenyatta iria yaumanire na ngeithi nyumba-ini ya Harambee guku Nairobi mwaka wa 2018, akiuga ati ngwataniro ino iguthie na mbere nginyagia muoroto wayo ukinyanirio.
Lakini sasa BBI imetoka na imeonyesha kwamba sio tu kupatia kazi watu wachache, lakini hii BBI ni kujaribu kusuluhisha shida ambayo inakumba Kenya.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka icera-ini riake thiini wa kaunti ya Nyandarua na Nyeri ni ahuriire riboti ino ndefe na njira nene, makiria akihinyiriria ati iri na kihonia kigie uigananu gatagati ka atumia na arume thiini wa utongoria, na uguo ona riendekithia riria ririgite kuheanwo ni mucirithania munene David Maraga ria gubunja bunge ritigukorwo riri na bata angikorwo BBI ni kuhetuka.
With 47 senators, women, 47 senators, I think to be competed between women and men. Yeah, because it is not exclusive. Okay, and then you have another 70 special seats actually, depending on the outcome of the election, so that you now make up very quickly or comply with the constitutional requirement of 2/3 gender rule.
Nao atongoria mwena wa ithuiro ria bururi aria makwaragia igongona-ini ria mathiko maugite BBI igukinyia muthia haro na njukaniriro iria ciumagira o thutha wa ithurano nene.
Every nation must solve its problems according to his history and according to the problems they have had either in elections or in keeping government together.
Lazima, the time for referendum, the time for BBI is now, na tunataka more resources zikuje kwa counties.
So many make an informed decision because that's going to determine how you live.
Muthenya wa Jumatatu, President ni agatongoria ikiro citiganite kuruguria riboti ino ya BBI na niguo kuhe kanya a Kenya kuiguithania nayo ona makiria. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.